Okay, sockets and ratchets now. Many different types of sockets. We have shallow sockets, deep well sockets, standard sockets, metric sockets, impact sockets, hand sockets, flex sockets, and the list goes on and on. So determining the right tool for the job you're doing, you have to know a little bit more about it sometimes to make sure you get the right tool. Now in your kits, you will be given a 1/4-inch ratchet with the socket that fits the fasteners for the assembly you're going to be required to build. But these sockets, these ratchets have a 1/4-inch square drive, and the socket simply presses on. Now it has a metal ball that has a spring inside that is what we call a spring detent. You just have to push and pull to get the socket on the ratchet and to get it off. A lot of different size options, even on ratchets. This is a 1/4-inch square drive. There are larger ratchets, 3/8, 1/2 inch. They go all the way up to about a 2.5-inch square drive on these ratchets. And the bigger ones simply require a little more force to get the sockets on and back off. So as you're using, once again, right tool for the job, make sure you've got the right size. When you're using a ratchet, you've got a reverse lever and they're marked on and off. You put it off, it's turning to the left, loosen, remove, on, turns to the right, tightens, and it's when you're creating an assembly. You always want your ratchet and socket assembly flat. If you kick it to one side or the other, you'll end up deforming the fastener or having a problem with your fastener itself, which will have to be replaced probably. Maintenance on ratchets, by and large, these tools have a sealed head design. They've got a gasket seal in here that'll keep the corrosion and any kind of grease or grime out. So your responsibility, take a look, make sure the detent works, it's clean, and you're good to go with your ratchets. Ratchets and sockets.